Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the moon phase soulmate video trend on TikTok using Capcut. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this is a new trend on TikTok where users on the app are checking the moon phase for the day they were born and comparing it to the day their partner was born to see how well they fit together. So in the video trend, they're creating a video in which two moon phase slides together, one from the top and one from the bottom, until they meet in the middle. And if the moons are a perfect fit, you're meant to be. If not, then it's not a good match. So let me show you how to create this moon phases soulmate video trend. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok, you'll need an app called Capcut, and you'll need to go to this website, www.themoonjoy.com. I'll paste the link in the description down below. So first you want to go ahead and open up Safari or Google Chrome. Next you want to navigate to themoonjoy.com. On this page, you want to go ahead and tap on the first link here, which is to create your moon. Do note this website is slow due to the popularity of this moon phase soulmate test, which everyone is doing on TikTok. Now you want to scroll down, enter in your date of birth, then enter in the place where you were born. Now if you scroll up, it'll start preparing you your moon phase. Again, as I said, do note it is slow, so do try later on if you get this loading symbol. I managed to download mine. Once it appears, you just want to long press on it and then save it to your phone. Now, once you've downloaded the moon phase for yourself and your partner, next you want to open up TikTok, tap on search, and you're searching for moon phase soulmates. Now, in the search results, go ahead and tap on any of the videos that are doing the trend. Within that video, you're looking for this button here, Capcut, try this template. Go ahead and tap on it. This will now show you the template which you'll be using. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will now open up Capcut. And again, it'll show you the template. Tap on Use Template again. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select the photos that you've downloaded from the moonjoy.com website. Tap Preview. This will now create you the moon phase video trend. And now to edit the date of birth on your video, tap on text here at the bottom. Next, tap on edit on the first one. Change your date of birth, press done. Then tap on the second one, tap edit, change the date of birth, and then press done. And now once you're happy with that, tap on add sound in TikTok here at the top right. This will start exporting the video and send it over to TikTok. It'll also automatically add the trending sound to it. Now you can leave it as it is and post this video to TikTok, or you can do what other people are doing. Click on the editor here at the top right, tap on plus, and add yourself and your partner's picture just before the video. So for about maybe a second. And tap on save. And now you have created the moon phase soulmate video trend on TikTok using Capcut. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.